Everybody, I have a new nerd adventure, something I haven't done personally kind of ever. Gas fifth scale racing. They use a 50cc engine and it's a fifth scale. I got invited out by Matt Olson from Matt Olson Designs himself, Mod, to come announce one of their series events. He runs a 6-race series that runs up and down California, and we are at Central Valley RC Raceway that's in Madera, California. It's probably 3 hours from where I live. And they have a beautiful track out here. It's kind of out in the middle of kind of nothing. There's a bunch of farm fields and a junkyard. But the nice thing is, no sound ordinance, no curfew, no anything. We were out here racing under the lights last night. It was real cool. So it's a 2-day event. There was qualifying yesterday, and today is going to be the extended mains. It's all A mains. It's going to be awesome. So fifth scale racing is pretty big. It's been on the rise for the last couple years now. It's kind of coming into its own. There's factory teams, all sorts of cool stuff. And fifth scale racing, because I mean, to get into a fifth scale, you're talking, I don't know, 3, 4, maybe $5,000 for a full race rig. So there's a lot of dudes who, you know, they work construction, they own their own businesses, they are successful, and they have all sorts of cool stuff going on with trailers and campers and all that. But Central Valley does regular racing out here, and they have cool pit tables set up. But let's go check out. Quick look here from the entrance to the driver's stand, as Central Valley RC has this killer driver's stand. That's a container. Olson's up here doing a live stream. We'll try not to bother him. But here's a look at the track. It's a pretty awesome facility they got here. Pit tables, power. They got a real nice restroom, which is a key feature of any RC track. And a very cool layout too, elevation changes and all sorts of cool. Our mains will be kicking off here in just a little bit, and I'll be on the mic having some fun, watching some mains go down. I haven't shown you guys what a fifth scale looks like inside, so here's a look at one of the fifth scales. This is Jake's rig, and it's your atypical fifth scale, I think. He's in the middle of putting it back together, so there might be something missing.
Got a lot of hop-ups, the API hop-ups.
All dialed in. All Design Industries, I think, is what it actually is, but lots of cool stuff on there. Oh, there's Higa's factory whip right here, getting prepped for the mains, cleaning her up, get that extra nanograms of dirt out of there.
Worth 2 tips, right?
At least.
You are on my go in less than 5. Go! And we are off and rolling. 13 trucks underway. We got 11 in our expert division, 2 pros, and it is absolute mayhem. The early race leader gonna be Duncan with Turney on his back door. Turney tries to put the pressure on before lap number 1's even in the book. Back behind, a lot of bumping and banging. If you take somebody out, make sure you give it back, guys. Side-by-side contact is tolerated. Nose to tail, you got to give him the spot. At the front of this one, it is Duncan. Turney sending it in hard, and then it's the double for the 07. 1 minute and 20 seconds into this one. Your race leader still going to be Duncan and Turney. Duncan on the back straight. Turney got a mirror for Darwin Miranda. Turney in the pink and yellow, or silver. It's Darwin Miranda in the blue. We got one upside down after the roller. We got one upside down after the time hop. Watch it going into the baby doubles, guys. Melee, here's contact between second spot. Nice and easy, guys. Side-by-side racing action is intense. You guys have giant trucks on some very slick surfaces. Watch it at the end of the straightaway. Caution at the end of the straightaway. Good job, guys. 2 minutes into this one. Leader is the all-white truck, guys. Leader is the all-white truck. Second spot is Turney in the pink and blue. Duncan, Turney, Miranda, RC now to the 4th spot.
That was an intense couple days of some giant RC racing. The main events were off the hook. Matt was nice enough to get all the links posted, so I'm going to try to get those together so you guys can watch the racing action. He did a sweet follow cam. If you guys are at all interested in 5th scale racing or something a little different, give it a look. It's very cool. It's a pretty cool atmosphere here. It's a lot like dirt bike racing. They're all helping each other out. They kind of camped out here, and anybody needed a hand, they got a hand from whoever was there. So I had a great time, and like I said, the racing was awesome. So I want to give a big thanks to Matt Olson of Mod, the Mod Speed Shop.com. Matt Olson's been a guy that I've known for many years in the RC industry. He worked in magazines, he did customer service, he's worked in MIP for many years, and now he started his own company, makes a full line of really awesome, high quality, needed accessories, not just stuff. So I think it's very cool, and thank him for bringing me out. And of course, Frank from Central Valley RC Raceway 2.0. Awesome facility out here in Madera, so if you guys are in California, need a place to race, you got one. Thanks everybody, we'll see you.